Defense Minister Rajnath Singh attended the combined meeting of Defense Ministers of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, Collective Security Treaty Organization, and CIS members in Moscow. Defense ministers of all 8 SCO member nations deliberated on regional security challenges like terrorism and ways to deal with them collectively. India unequivocally condemned terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. Raksha Mantri also stressed upon the fact that India values works of SCO regional anti-terrorism structure and added that adoption of anti-terror mechanism by the SCO to counter extremist propaganda and de-radicalization was a significant move. He also spoke about the need for institutional capacity to deal with traditional and non-traditional threats while reiterating the need to deal with terrorism, drug trafficking and other transnational crimes. At the SCO meet, Rajnath Singh reaffirmed India's commitment to evolution of a transparent and inclusive global security architecture in sync with international laws. The Defense Minister also expressed India's deep concern about the situation in the Gulf region. He also called upon the nations in the Gulf region to resolve differences through dialogue based on mutual respect and sovereignty. Rajnath Singh also added that security situation in Afghanistan also remains a matter of concern for India. Rajnath Singh also held a meeting with his Russian counterpart, General Sergei Shoigu, in Moscow earlier on Thursday. The meeting covered a broad range of areas of cooperation, including defense and strategic cooperation between the two nations. Rajnath Singh briefed General Shoigu on Make in India defense program in context of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. Both sides welcomed the advanced stage of discussions for the establishment in India of India-Russia joint venture for the production of AK-203 assault rifles, which are considered one of the most modern weapons available for infantry forces. The defense minister on Friday also visited the main cathedral of the Russian armed forces and the museum complex in Moscow ahead of the meeting of the SCO. Earlier, defense minister also paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at the Indian embassy in Moscow. Rajnath Singh arrived in Moscow on Wednesday on a 3-day visit to attend the crucial meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. This is his second visit to Russia in over 2 months. Newsnight Desk, DD India.